What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add a new currency to your Revolut account. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Revolut app, you will be on your default currency page right here. Now to add a new currency, you need to click on this more option right here, these three dots, and select the last option that says add new account. Now from here a new menu will load, and on this menu you will just need to select the first option, the currency account. And here you would be able to select basically whichever currency you wish to add onto your Revolut account. So let's for example say Swiss franc. I will just select it, and then a new currency account will be opened right here. So that's guys how you can add a new currency account on your Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.